Dino Bob, hey, we're outdoors today. We're at the cleaning bench, and this is your after cooler. Under most all blowers, you'll have what they call an after cooler. You got to get these things cleaned out. You can just see the crud running out of this thing. I'm spraying lacquer thinner right here, but you know, if you clean it like that, it's probably going to take, you know, a couple, 3 gallons of lacquer thinner. There's another trick to cleaning these. You can get some purple power and put it in a bucket, put it in there, it'll start foaming up. It doesn't take very long, 3 or 4 minutes, couple minutes, not long. You can hose it out with water. That really helps if they're really, really, really bad and you're trying to do it at home. So, you know, you're going to have to use gas, lacquer thinner, or you're going to have to use that purple power, and water is pretty good. But if you send them in to me, I can sonic clean them in our sonic cleaning machine, which are perfect then for, like, you know, I think it's like $60. So give me a call if you have any questions about your after cooler. Thanks.